I just realized I'm about out of the setting spray slash face mist that I love to use so much. So I thought I would show you guys how I make it in case you want to use this recipe or tweak it to fit the things that you like to use the most. The main thing is it's 1 part aloe with 3 parts water. So the first thing I'm going to do is squirt this aloe. I do have some 100% aloe, but this just honestly is something I'm trying to get rid of before I move in a couple of weeks. So let's party. I do have a funnel for this. I also have a dropper, but I'm just not. I'm going to do that for my personal one because it's just for me. Okay. Now that that's in there, I'm also going to put a few drops of glycerin. This is pure vegetable glycerin. It can soften your skin. It's used in tons of cosmetic applications. It has a long shelf life. It doesn't really oxidize. It's really good stuff. I'm also going to put in a touch of witch hazel. This is a great toner. It helps restore your pH balance. Whoa, that funnel might have come in handy for that. You don't need much of this either. I use this so often and I go through it so much that I can just barely. This is vitamin E oil. I'm pouring it in the cap. I'm almost out of that. I'm going to try to put in like 1 drop or 2 drops of tea tree oil, and this helps with breakouts. And my personal opinion is that it kind of stinks, so I really try to not use it very often. And the best part to me is getting to use my favorite body spray of the moment, which right now is Sweet Magnolia and Clementine from BBW, Bath and Body Works, I suppose. I'm not sure, this was a Christmas gift a few years ago, so I just love it. I'm spraying 10 to 12 sprays. And then I'm going to fill it the rest of the way with warm water and shake it up. You can add any fragrance oils or essential oils that you want to. Just be sure they're safe to use on your face, especially any skin. Do a patch test always about 24 hours before you apply anything new to your face. That way, if you're going to have a reaction, you'll know ahead of time. Just do it in a place that's not really visible. And so I'm shaking it. I'm shaking it. I wish you guys could smell it. That's it. That's what I do. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see how it is. Hello. Yes. That is so refreshing. It's the aloe, you guys. Put it in the refrigerator if you want to. But it really doesn't need it that much. But it feels great. And if you guys want to try this, let me know. If you have another way of doing the same thing, let me know. If you prefer to buy your own, let me know what it is. I want to know. So comment below with any ideas that you have for future videos also. I love to make my very favorite homemade mask is an oatmeal mask. I'd love to do a video on that the next time I make a batch. I might do that if you'd like to see that. Again, let me know below. And I'm going to just stop filming this now because I'm pretty much done. Okay.